Dialing menu options for your auto attendant are the choices callers can dial when they get to your auto attendant, such as press 1 for sales, 2 for customer service. As a system administrator, you can change your various auto attendant menu options anytime it's necessary. To make changes to the menu options, from the Dashboard tab, scroll down until you see your auto attendant. Click on the Settings tab, which looks like a gear icon. Once the tab is expanded, you'll be looking at your business hours version of the auto attendant. Here, you can see the business hours time schedule, the greeting, and the menu dialing options for the business hours auto attendant. To add a menu option, scroll down to the business hours dialing menu. Next, check this box to enable extension dialing during the auto attendant greeting for business hours. If this feature is enabled, callers can dial the extension of the party they wish to reach without selecting a menu item first. Please note, if this option is enabled, your greeting should instruct callers that if they know the extension for the party they're trying to reach, they may dial it at any time. The keypad numbers that can be configured are displayed here. They include numbers 0 through 9, star, and pound. To configure a keypad number for the auto attendant business hours menu, click on the row of the keypad number. Next, enter the description, for example, sales. Then, select the action from the drop-down menu. Options include extension dialing. This action lets callers dial by recipient extension using the numbers on the keypad. Name dialing. This action permits callers to dial by recipient name using the letters on the keypad. Exit. This action allows callers to exit the menu system. This will terminate the call. Repeat menu. If selected, this action will repeat the greeting and menu options. Transfer with prompt. Callers are sent to a pre-configured user extension or outside number. As soon as the caller chooses this option, a prompt will play a message before the transfer is placed. If transferring to an extension, it will include the user's name as recorded in the voicemail box. Transfer without prompt. Callers are sent to a pre-configured user extension or outside number. This option will route the caller as soon as it is selected. Transfer to operator. This will redirect callers to a configured operator who will either receive calls when that option is selected or receive all calls that time out when a caller does not choose an option from the auto attendant. Transfer to submenu. This selection often takes users to another auto attendant for more specific choices. For example, if you have an option in the auto attendant for sales, the submenu may contain options for new sales and used sales. Next, in the Details column, enter the destination to which the call should be transferred. Please note, this does not apply if the name dialing, extension dialing, repeat menu, or exit options are selected. Repeat these steps for each keypad number you wish to configure for the auto attendant business hours menu. Once you're finished configuring your auto attendant, please remember to click the Save button to save your changes. If you have an after hours and/or a holiday hours auto attendant, please follow the same process used for business hours.